guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome back again our channel. So today we blog about for the another product for the hair care. So please before the start, please don't forget like, share and subscribe the video and this channel. And then disclaimer lang tayo, pwede nyong isi-skip yung video ko kung ayaw nyong manood. So let me start. So another review about the product is the Glycerin. So alam nyo naman yung Glycerin oil. So the Glycerin oil, we have the beauty product, the healthcare product. We have the cream, lotion, soap, and oil, the Glycerin. But we are discussing today about for the hair, what is the benefits of Glycerin for our hair. So number 1 is the moisturizer frizzy hair. Number 2 is resentation of moisturizer. Number 3 is maintain the hair and health and length. Then control the threads and dandruff. And then the repair damaged hair. And then the sooty itchy scalp. Yun guys ang benefits ng Glycerin oil na gagamitin natin sa ating hair. So how you use this Glycerin our hair? So yun guys, ito yan, Glycerin is odorless and colorless, but this is like a sticky. Yan guys, yan. You can buy this in supermarket, the Glycerin oil. So yun guys, but there are so many benefits are the skin and then the beauty hacks and then the hair also, and then the dry skin like that. But today we are discuss about for how you use in your hair this Glycerin. So bago kayo maligo, ibabad nyo muna yan, ganyan guys, yan guys. Bago kayo maligo, ibabad nyo ng 5 minutes. Tulad yan. Yan, guys. Yan. Tapos banawan nyo bago kayo maligo. And then, pwede nyo din ito ihalo sa conditioner na ilalagay nyo sa buhok nyo. Yan, halo kahit konti. Otherwise, kung frizzy yung buhok nyo, yung kusot-kusot, kumuha kayo ng isang bottle na spray na may tubig, and then haluan nyo, and then isi-spray nyo, and then i-comb nyo. So there are small, and then hindi siya matigas na pagsuklay ng buhok. Yun guys, kung maligo kayo, ilagay nyo lang dito, tapos ibabad. Tapos yung, di ba, yung kung may dandruff kayo, yan, ganyan nyo lang, yan. Tapos ibabad nyo ilalagay nyo sa scalp nyo, yan, para matanggal yung dandruff, and then yung itchy din. Ito ay gamot din. Ganyan nyo lang guys. Yan. Basta ibabad nyo. Yan. Babad nyo mga 5 minutes bago kayo maligo. And then gawin nyo ito or 3 weeks or 4 weeks para ma-effective talaga siya, mawala yung dandruff at saka itchy at saka yung buhok nyo ay magiging shine and length, ganyan, at black. Siyempre, minsan hindi tayo maka-afford na mamahalin na conditioner. So, pwede tayo gumamit nito ng Glycerin oil. So, mura lang dito is 9 dirhams in UAE. Pero hindi ko alam kung sa Pilipinas kung magkano. But here in Dubai is 9 dirhams. Ganyan guys, yan. And then you can buy any supermarket like that. This is the Glycerin. Yan. This is the beauty product, the hair care product, and then this is good for the skin and dry skin. But today we are the topic about for the hair, how to use the hair, what is the benefit this hair for this Glycerin. That's all guys. Hope mayroon kayong natutunan today about my blog. So what is the benefits of Glycerin our hair, and then how to use the Glycerin in your hair. Like that guys. Yan. Easy lang siya. Yan. You can use this in home. in your home, ganyan guys, kasi mura naman siya dito. So that's all guys, and then shout out to everyone, and God bless us. Happy Saturday and Happy New Year Islamic for to all the Muslim country. So until tomorrow the holiday is the UAE. So it's me again, JERLIE OFW. So see you next my vlog. Bye bye.